Just have a look. Have a look. I hope you can see. Please, I will need your help in the comment section. What will you do if you unfortunately enter a bus or a car that they all have chosen to support drivers over speeding? Recently, a critical situation where a brother's two legs were amputated, and I tried blaming him by saying you should have go down when you see that they are in support of the driver to be speeding. And he said he thought of that, but there's no way he could have go down in the middle of nowhere. And he said that almost 90% of the passengers were in support of the speeding, and the man was just speeding, annoying speed, and that is how so many of them died. And he was amputated, two legs. So my question is, apart from praying, what else can you do? What will you do to this driver? Or what will you have done if you were the one that is against that overspeeding and some other people in the car or in that bus supports the driver to be speeding? Please put your comment in the comment section. I'll be there to see. We are learning from each other, because I tell you, some of these accidents can be avoided. I heard if you happen to enter a bus, maybe 90% of them happens to be the traders, and they are rushing to go to meet up with their trading and go back the same day, or to meet up, and they are in haste. And most of the times the driver will want to please them by speeding up so that they will meet up and go back the same day or the next day and meet up while the market is still on. This occurred a lot. It occurred not only those who maybe got themselves drunk, among the traders who are in haste. Just because they are in haste, they will ask the driver to speed up. Don't tell me that it is the right time for all these people involved in one or two accidents or the other, that it is the right time for them to die. It isn't. I believe that we are becoming too careless. And most of the times, especially you see buses, transport service like that contains about 20-something people, they will die. Why? Some people inside the bus refuse to talk. But what if they outnumbers you? And that is where I need your help. Comment on the comment section. And I know some of them that I spoke to, they might be there to hear or read your comment as well. You are helping someone and you are saving life if you share or comment and like. Thank you and be blessed.